Hi class. In this lecture, Display Window Construction, we'll discuss how to construct display windows, the benefits and challenges that are presented when displaying with certain style windows, and methods to reduce window display size. Closed back windows. The typical window display is a closed back window. It has a full back, sides, and a large plate glass window that faces the street, providing a more controlled environment for the visual designer. The closed back window does not compete with lighting from the selling floor, making it easier to light. This also allows for more effective spotlighting and special effects. Open back windows. An open back window provides a direct view into the selling area as it has no back wall. Open back windows have lighting and background challenges as the display window is in competition with the merchandise on the selling floor, since there is no wall separating the display from the merchandise on the floor. Floors. The floors of most display windows is raised anywhere between 8 to 24 inches from street level. This allows the mannequin to sit at eye level. By making the observer look up at the object is dramatized. A raked floor has a ramp effect in which the back of the floor is several inches higher than the front. Smaller merchandise, such as shoes and handbags, are more easily seen when they are placed at the back of the floor due to the raised surface. An elevator type window has an elevator platform which allows the platform to be lowered to the basement for window preparation. The platform can then be raised back up to the desired level. Semi-enclosed windows. Visual merchandisers can use panels, screens, or curtains to partially enclose the display window while still creating an exciting presentation. Proscenium. The use of proscenium enhances display windows so that they present a theater-like setting. Proscenium is a structural arch, generally ornate. It is often seen in a theater surrounding a curtain. It masks ceiling lights and adds depth. Masking. Masking is done when a visual merchandiser needs to turn a large area into a small shadow box. Typically, a shadow box is 3 feet by 5 feet. To do this, the plate glass can be painted or partially covered. This technique is very effective when displaying small merchandise or to focus the viewer's eye. Island windows. Island windows showcase merchandise from all angles and directions. Therefore, merchandise must be presentable. Pins must be styled and tucked so that observers cannot see them. All glass window displays that are unlined or unbounded can be a liability, as potential customers may walk into the glass if the window is left empty or unfinished. Tall windows. Tall windows have glass that extends beyond 9 to 10 feet high. Due to the window's height, overhead lighting is ineffective. Therefore, the visual merchandiser relies more on the side lighting to emphasize merchandise and uses the overhead lighting for atmospheric wall and floor washes. Tall windows offer the opportunity to dramatize the presentation, as mannequins can be staggered on different levels, made to fly, float or can be suspended from the air due to the available space. Make your own window display. Make your own window displays appear in major shopping centers and malls. Sheets of glass go from the floor to the ceiling, either flanking glass doors or off to either side of the glass entry. There is nothing that marks off the space as a display area except its location up close to the front glass and facing the street or the mall's aisle. The visual merchandiser must create their own window. Items such as rugs, grass mats, floor tiles, platforms, elevations, or risers, a lighting track, etc., are used to highlight the area as a display area. This closes out Chapter 7.